Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to scroll down and find the build number, and all we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. Unfortunately, I've previously activated this mode, so as you can see, I've got the info that I am already in a developer mode. So after activating that, we have to go back to the general settings, and right above the schedule power on and off, we've got the developer options, so simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to the wireless display certification, and so on and so on. So actually quite a lot of options. So in order to turn on the option, for example, in order to turn on the pointer location, just tap on this switcher on it, and as you can see, it has been immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it again. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the simulate secondary displays, just tap on it and you will open much more advanced settings. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the developer options. You can try to turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here. As you can see, they are inactive right now, and after getting back they should disappear. I have no idea why in my case they do not. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.